Hey food lovers, welcome back to Platter Pulse. Today, we're diving straight into fall flavors with a dessert that's cozy, creamy, and absolutely irresistible caramel apple cheesecake bars. Imagine everything you love about apple pie, creamy cheesecake, and caramel drizzle all packed into one heavenly bar. Trust me, this is the dessert you'll want to make all season long. We start with the basic graham cracker crust. Take about 2 cups of crushed graham crackers. Add in half a cup of melted butter and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix it until it looks like wet sand. Press this mixture firmly into a lined baking pan. This is going to be the crunchy foundation for our creamy cheesecake. Pop it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, just until it sets. The smell already starts warming up your kitchen. Next, the cheesecake layer. In a bowl, beat 2 packages of softened cream cheese with half a cup of sugar until silky smooth. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time, and finish with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Spread this luscious mixture right over your crust. This is where that creamy magic begins. Now comes the star of apples. I'm using Granny Smith for that tart bite, but Honeycrisp works beautifully too. Peel, core, and dice to large apples. In a skillet, melt a tablespoon of butter, then toss in the apples with brown sugar, cinnamon, and just a pinch of nutmeg. Cook for about 5 minutes until they're soft and caramelized. Layer these warm, spiced apples over the cheesecake mixture. This step is where your kitchen really starts to smell like fall. What's better than apples and cheesecake? Apples, cheesecake, and streusel. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, half a cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a cup of cold butter. Use your hands or a pastry cutter to blend it into a crumbly topping. Sprinkle this generously over the apples. This golden buttery streusel is going to add the crunch that makes every bite unforgettable. Bake the whole pan at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes, until the center looks set and the top is lightly golden. The hardest part, waiting. Let it cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better. This helps the cheesecake firm up and makes slicing so much easier. Once chilled, cut into neat little squares, and here's the final touch drizzle with rich, silky caramel sauce. Each bar has a crunchy base, creamy cheesecake, spiced apple goodness, and that irresistible caramel drizzle. It's pure fall in every bite. If you're looking for the perfect dessert to impress guests, bring to a fall gathering, or just treat yourself at home, these caramel apple cheesecake bars are it. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Platter Pulse, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next cozy fall creation. Drop a comment below, or Team Pumpkin this season. I'd love to know.